Welcome back to Elite Cars, where we dive into the most exciting upcoming releases in the automotive world. Today we have a thrilling announcement that has car enthusiasts buzzing: the debut of the all-new 2024 Aston Martin Vantage at the Festival of Speed in Goodwood. Stay tuned as we explore every detail of this stunning sports car, from its revamped design to its powerful performance capabilities. The 2024 Aston Martin Vantage is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. Building on the success of its predecessor, this new model sports a striking new look that's bound to turn heads. The front end features a significantly larger grille, which not only enhances its aggressive stance but also improves cooling by 38%. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with a prominent quad exhaust system and sleek, redesigned tail lights that trace the lines of the lip boot. One of the most noticeable changes is the increased width of the car by 30mm, giving it a more muscular and planted appearance on the road. Optional Y-Spike 21-inch wheels, first seen on the DB12, add a touch of elegance and performance. Step inside, and the new Vantage continues to impress with a completely overhauled interior. Gone are the outdated infotainment systems of the past. Instead, you're greeted with a state-of-the-art 10.25-inch touchscreen, featuring Aston Martin's in-house developed infotainment system. This system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and an optional 15-speaker Bowers Wilkins sound system, promising an immersive audio experience. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials and a layout designed to enhance the driving experience. Physical buttons are retained for essential controls, ensuring that the driver's focus remains on the road. The digital driver's display and new steering wheel design further modernize the interior, making it both luxurious and functional. Under the hood, the 2024 Vantage is an absolute beast. It's powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, hand-built and meticulously tuned by Aston Martin engineers. This engine now delivers a staggering 665 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, making it the most powerful Vantage ever produced. This boost in power comes from modified cam profiles, larger turbos, and improved cooling systems. The Vantage rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, thanks to its 8-speed ZF automatic transmission and a new electronic limited slip differential. With a top speed of 325 km/h, this car is designed for those who crave speed and performance. The inclusion of new adaptive dampers and Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires ensures that this power is matched by precision handling, making every drive an exhilarating experience. Aston Martin has equipped the new Vantage with cutting-edge technology to enhance both performance and safety. The car features an advanced inertial measurement unit, which continuously monitors the car's movements and adjusts the electronic stability control accordingly. This, combined with the lightning-fast electronic rear differential that can go from 0 to full lock in just 135 milliseconds, ensures optimal traction and control in any driving condition. Moreover, the adjustable traction control system allows drivers to fine-tune the amount of wheel slip, giving them the ability to customize their driving experience from controlled stability to thrilling power slides. This blend of mechanical and digital advancements makes the Vantage not just a sports car, but a driver's car, designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. The 2024 Aston Martin Vantage is set to redefine what we expect from a luxury sports car. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it promises to be a thrilling addition to the Aston Martin lineup. We can't wait to see it in action at the Festival of Speed in Goodwood. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this incredible vehicle. Thank you for watching Future Concept Cars, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive news.